So it's not something that they're afraid of anymore. You know, the risk is not as great. They don't see the risk as being great.
Fortunately nowadays, with medication, you know, you typically don't die from HIV anytime soon. I mean, Magic Johnson is the classic kind of person, but it depends on your health prior and your immune system. But they're good medications. It's become more of a chronic disease than actually something that's a fatal disease initially. It can be quite expensive, and that's one of the barriers to treatment, that the medications can be quite expensive. But I'm sure there are a lot of programs that will help reduce some of the costs. Some insurances might reduce some of the costs, but that is a major issue, is that these drugs can be so expensive that some patients don't have access to them. You know?
What are the typical symptoms of someone with HIV?
No, that's the problem. A lot of people don't have any symptoms. Now when they develop AIDS, the symptoms are very severe. Because basically your immune system is suppressed, so you're now open to any kind of infectious disease. You know, and typically get infections that usually don't go to the normal population, but the problem is there's no symptoms. There's no burning, there's no itching, there's nothing. Until you get tested, you really don't know. But by the time you develop AIDS, which is active stage disease, then it's very obvious to everybody, weight loss and all the things that we see on television as attractive.
Most people, they do nowadays, they sort of say, well, I'm healthy, I don't need a flu shot. I'm not gonna get AIDS. This girl looks neat to me, or this guy looks neat to me, so I'm not gonna get AIDS. They have to sort of say that everybody is a potential AIDS candidate until you get the HIV test. And even if you get the HIV test, it doesn't prevent them from getting AIDS 6 months later. I think you have to look at that and say, what do I do? How do I get this message over? And now that you can text to anybody, in like school when there's a alert or something, they text to the whole campus. They can do that same thing for HIV. Just periodic text messages and say, have you had a test? If you don't want to be seen at a free clinic, go buy a kit over the counter, which you can do. My name is Samson Earl, MD.
That's it?
All right.
I can go hang out now?